How's it going, guys? I'm Suzuki Ninja Taro. Today, I'd like to talk about the very first day everyone gets behind the wheel at driving school. Will you be able to practice driving comfortably? Or will it all move so fast that you just end up totally confused? Watch this video, and you'll know how to make it through your first day at driving school. Alright, let's get started. Ninja. The first thing everyone takes is something called an aptitude test. This test shows you what kind of personality you have when driving. It's not something you pass or fail. However, don't let your guard down. It's a great opportunity to objectively understand yourself. Give it your best effort. Next, a top instructor, basically the ace of the school, will give a lecture. This lecture is about the mindset you need before getting behind the wheel. It's also extremely important, so make sure to listen carefully. Here's where the real challenge begins. By this point, it's likely been over 2 hours since you arrived at the driving school. You're already feeling pretty tired. If you haven't prepared yourself beforehand in that kind of state, of course things. When it comes to driving, all kinds of technical terms get thrown around. For someone driving for the first time, all those words will just sound confusing and make no sense. But if you study ahead of time, you'll be able to drive with confidence. So today, let's go over those tricky driving terms in advance. Today, let's go over some of those tricky driving terms ahead of time. Driving terms. The engine is kind of like the heart of the car. The engine's RPM is kind of like your heartbeat. When you press the gas pedal, the engine's RPM goes up. If the power is connected, the car will pick up speed. If you slam the pedal down, it'll cause sudden acceleration. Especially at the beginning, take it easy and press the pedal gently while feeling it out. Brake. This is the brake pedal. Keep your foot on the brake, and the car will slow down until it stops. In Japanese driving schools, this way of pressing the pedal is not recommended. The basic rule is to move your whole right foot. When pressing the gas pedal, you need to keep your heel on the floor, otherwise you won't have full control. Use your left foot to support your body, and control the pedals with your right foot. It's more effective that way. Basically, whenever you shift the gear, you have to press the brake pedal firmly. After that, press the button on the gear lever. This is what's called park. You use it when parking the car or starting the engine. This is the reverse gear, the gear for backing up. This is neutral. It means no gear is engaged. If the car breaks down, you can shift to neutral to move it. This is drive mode. It's what you use for normal driving. This is sports mode. You won't really be using this much in driving school. Indicator. This is the indicator lever. Push it down and the right signal comes on. Push it up and the left signal comes on. The indicator lever is located on the right side. The left side lever is wiper. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Ninja. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.